Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you couldn't tell from the title, I'll be doing a curly flip over, but instead of doing a quick weave or sew-in, I'll be using a half wig. This half wig is from my collection. It's in the texture curly, 20 inches, 220% density. The link is in my bio. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is part out my hair. I'm parting it in the middle and I'm sectioning out my leave out. I'm doing leave out around the whole perimeter of my hair so I can put it in a ponytail and stuff. I've seen different people use different amount of leave outs. I didn't want to use a lot of leave out because I wanted my hair to be out as minimal as possible, just so it's easier to manage. So I did a little bit. I've seen people use even less than what I'm using now. I just wanted to make sure that it covered the wig because I never did this before. So
I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a bishop. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time, it's your time.
After I have it sectioned out, I'm gonna braid it so it gets out the way.
There's more around. There's always more. That's for sure. There's always more. That's for sure. Because there's a room full of beautiful women, but I'm only one. Room full of women.
Okay, this is what it looks like. This is how much I have left out from the perimeter of my head. If I were to redo this, I would leave out a little more in the back. Okay, now that's all braided. I'm going to put some hair butter on the rest of my hair. That's not going to be showing to moisturize my hair.
Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Burning rubber, burning through these rubbers is exhausting. Drop, hot, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'm gonna grab you by the hips. Hey, diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time, it's your time. I need to know we're going down. Cause if not, I know there's more around.
Okay, now I'm braiding the hair in the middle. I'm gonna braid that down. I'm not doing any small braids. I'm doing them kind of chunky. Also, the wig had clips all throughout it. It did not have a band, it was just clips. So I'm going to also be doing a perimeter braid for the braids that's going to be under the wig, so the clips can have something to attach to. These are the clips I was talking about before. So I'm going to attach these onto the perimeter of the braids. Not my leave out braids, but the perimeter of the braids. That's going to be under the wig. Also, if you want to see how I dyed this wig, I do have a video on that. It's the previous video from this one. Okay, now that I have it all secure, I'm going to take out my leave out braids. This is how the curls looks without any product. I washed it and I let it air dry. Now I'm playing with it to see how I want the hair to be. Flipping my hair and leave out around to see how I want it to look. This is how it looks like when I pull it up slightly. Like I said earlier, I will do a little bit more leave out in the back. It's not that bad, but like it could use a little bit more leave out. All over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you. Now I'm gonna wet my hair, my leave out, and I'm gonna wet the actual half wig. Hearts all over the world tonight. Hey little mama, ooh you're a stunner, hot little figure. Yes you a winner, and I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own, and ooh little cutie. When you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my own. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. I bet it's hard all over the world tonight. After I drench the hair, I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner on my leave out only. And then I'm using this Lotta Body cream onto the wig. Oh girl, I don't want nobody else. Without you, there's no one left. And you like Jordans on Saturday. I gotta have you and I cannot wait. If I see any of the pieces of hair was drying already or I didn't get it wet enough, I'm just going in and re-wetting it. Now I'm using this product. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I got it off of Amazon. I believe it's the Brazilian product. Okay, after I got both products all throughout the hair, I'm going to brush the hair starting from the ends to the roots. Again, I'm spraying any hair that I see is not all the way wet. The next product I'm using is this Lotta Body foam, and I'm going to be putting it on my leave out and a little bit on the wig so I can blend my leave out with the wig. I use a fine-tooth comb. To comb this through. And then I'm gonna put the foam all throughout the rest of the wig. Because you like my accent, it's the way that I talk my shit, it's the way that I wear these glasses. Met him on April 6th. Okay. SPT bought me a cat. I heard he be hard on bitches.
deal with. I need you to bear with me, baby. I ain't really used to no real nigga. You owe me and I owe you too. I promise I'm not about to let up for nothing. I know I be nagging sometimes. Shit, put dick in my mouth, make me shut up or something. I promise to keep it tight. Every time gon' feel like a bird. You keeping me happy, you give me dick. Ask me who my surgeon.
Keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody. I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her. I love her.
This is how the curls look up close.
We can play around and play around. I got time with my crew. I love her. I love her. Goddamn, I love her.
I love you too, baby.
I love her.
Okay, so you can either air dry it or you can diffuse it. I ended up diffusing it, so I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like dried. Okay, this is what it looks like dried. It did poof up a bit, but I like my curly hair to be big and fluffy. The foam I did, it did make the hair a little crunchy because it locked in the curls and made it less frizzy. So I'm putting in this coconut milk or coconut oil, whichever one it was. And I'm putting it in the hair to make it softer. And I wanted the tops to be a little more sleek, and I want to do my edges, so I'm using this Baskin leather edge control. I got it from Amazon, but it's also on the TikTok shop. Only did one side because the other side isn't really going to be shown. But this is the end results. I really love it. It's my first time doing this style. It was so quick and easy. I think it took me maybe about an hour to do the whole thing. Again, this hair is on my website. It is a half wig, 20 inches, 220% density, and the texture curly. Look how full it is. It's really full. And this is what it looks like pulled up again. If you want to see my night/day routine of how I manage this style, put on your post notifications, make sure you subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Bye.